Let me show you what to do if your stationary knife is not properly working, or also it's very dull, and if you actually try to cut something with it, it's very hard to cut and doesn't want to cut. So there are two main things we can actually do on these type of knives essentially. So first we can simply replace our blade, or also see if we can actually simply snap off the part of the blade that actually is simply dull. So you see, if you look up close, so you see you have basically these various marks on the blade, and we can actually snap off the blade at those marking points. So there are two ways how to snap it off. So first you can simply maybe literally grab pliers, or anything basically that we can grab this thing with. Then you see I'm simply going to basically using the slider. I'm simply going to slide till only one, basically the marked line is actually out. So you see I can simply grab it with my pliers here, and while basically pointing away from me, I can simply snap it off. So you see, and the blade is removed, and we should have a fresh blade essentially. Also, sometimes basically on these blades, even maybe even like two different areas have worn out. So then you simply again would have to actually snap off two together. So simply observe the sharpness of the blade. Maybe you actually need to snap off two. Or also, yeah, other way how to snap it off if you do not have a tool like this. So you see on the end you also have this like slit here. So you see on all these tools, so you see you have this kind of thing. What you can do is you can simply like take away this part. So you see it simply like slides out. So you have to actually use quite a bit of force to remove this thing. Also, for example, on this knife I have to actually press in this part of the thing to be able to like pull it away. And then you see basically I can simply again protrude the blade outside one line and simply insert in this slot here. Okay, and while pointing away from me, you see you can also snap it off as well. So for example on this one, so this bigger knife, again if this is worn, again I would simply remove this, slide outside just how much I need to be able to snap it off, insert in that groove, and again literally just snap it off. Okay, that's cool. So how to actually change the blade? Maybe something off with your blade on this. So again, simply pull away. So either pull or use a button to release it, and then we simply have to slide it out all the way. So you see it simply comes out, and you see you have the blade. I'm going to get rid of this blade, going to get a new one. Obviously, while you do this, be careful, because obviously these are crazy sharp. Again, you can easily replace, basically purchase these replacements in pretty much most stationery stores very easily. Then you see you have this tiny knob here and also this hole here. As you see, I'm simply pushing it on that hole and also placing it underneath this like plastic piece. So you see the second piece. Okay, and then I'm simply sliding it in. As you see, you have a groove, and we have to slide both things inside in that groove. Okay, it actually came out. Let's redo this. Okay, and you see I'm simply sliding inside, and you see we have fresh new blade. Again, this is how it looks like. Again, both of these go inside, and then we can replace. So on these like larger ones, so again it's pretty much the same. So you see, slide all the way out, remove the blade, again you have the knob here, push it on. So again this is how it should look like inside, and replace the cap. as this one. Again, let's slide it out. This one is tiny bit different, similar to the first one. So you see, again, simply put on that, you see, but also it goes kinda underneath here as well a bit. I hope you can see. So you see the tiny piece there. So it prevents basically like moving. And let's slide inside. Again, as you see, both pieces are going in the groove inside. And replace, and you are good to go. Good luck.